This is lot 2604 in the July sale. What is this, a 8N, a 9N?
This is a 9N, you
9N.
see, with the flat rims, that's a 9N.
Oh,
8N has the brakes on the outside.
gotcha.
So this also has what they call a Sherman transmission, because these are a 3-speed transmission tractor. They've put the 12 volt on it, took the old generator off, but this gives you a road gear
Okay,
or a low gear, whatever you call it.
okay.
This guy's customized this thing, and the carburetor must be set just right because the fuel's not shut off. These old things, everybody always disconnects the battery and shuts off the fuel, but you don't move the throttle. It should start right up. I mean, it's as nice can be.
Yeah.
It's nice.
We're just out here taking videos, and we took that one there, and John just couldn't get it in reverse, but it does go in reverse. That's that bigger Ford. It's right next door here.
Yeah, that's second gear, and it's a little higher with this Sherman. It really was a big thing, that Sherman transmission.
I feel like we had one of these as a kid, because I felt like I knew how to drive this when I was a kid. Nice sounding tractor.
It is.